Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to share with you a little bit of what I do on Sunday mornings. So if that's something that you would like to see, stick around. So every Sunday morning, I take some time and I prep my journal for the upcoming week. So I have been using a journal since November. And I have shared a few spreads in my journal over on Instagram, but mostly this is only for my eyes. So I just decorate sometimes I don't. I write my thoughts, my feelings, I write quotes, I write Bible verses, just pretty much whatever I feel like writing that day. And I try to journal at least 3 to 4 times a week in the morning. But on Sunday mornings, I do take some time and I kind of prep the next couple of pages as far as decorating goes. And it's not, it's nothing complicated, nothing too time consuming. And I wanted to share that with you just in case you are interested in starting your own journal. So let's talk a little bit about the actual journal itself. So this is an A5 Moterm cover, and inside I have my journal. And my journal is a journal that I picked up actually at Barnes and Noble, but you can find it on Amazon. And the brand is, I copied it here. The brand is Design Works Inc. So you can check that out on Amazon, and they have beautiful journal covers and journals. So if you're looking for a new journal, definitely check them out because I love them. Okay, so this is what I was talking to you about. Let me see. Yeah, so here. So this is a journal entry that I shared over on Instagram, and it is one of my favorite songs, You Say. And I just, decorated the little corners and wrote it down. So that is what we're gonna do today. So I have, I started reading this book, and it is amazing. Like I am starting chapter 2. And last night when I was reading, I did not have my book darts with me because I was reading in Nico's room. I did not have my book darts with me, so I need to go back and reread chapter 1 because there are so many great quotes and just things that he says in this book that I want to write down. I did choose the one that I want to write down here with you guys, but I will go ahead and after I'm done, just look for the rest of them and finish writing down in my journal. And then I will share with you over on Instagram. So if you want to see the rest of the quotes, make sure to check out my Instagram throughout the day. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I will decorate this page. Let me see. Okay, so I will decorate this page, and I am going to take it out of the cover just because it's going to be a little bit easier. And I'm going to be using one of the sticker sheets from it's the big book of florals, the mega sticker book of florals by the Happy Planner. So I'm going to be using this. I also took out a few pages, scrapbook pages, so I can have handy and use those, and a few little just little tags. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to kind of combine these two pages, and I'm going to decorate this area right here. Then I can write some quotes here, and I can write some quotes here. So let's start off by, I'm gonna start off by tearing some of this brown, and these are dark stickers, so I do definitely want to bring in some light colors so I can brighten the page. Okay, so first what I do is I kind of cut out kind of like the shape that I want. And then, let's see. So I want that there. And there. Okay, so let's move this to the side. So what I'm gonna do now is I am just going to tear this page. Okay, so what I did here is just kind of figure out the pattern that I want, and then just glue the pieces of paper, and there's really no like rhyme or reason to how I do it. It's just, you know, what I feel. So that is why it's kind of hard sometimes to explain my thought process when it comes to my journaling, because I don't know, I just play around with it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding some of the stickers. And I think that I'm gonna add a little bit of this here. I really love this paper. It's like a roll of, it's collage paper, and I got it at Hobby Lobby, so I really love using this. I use it on almost all of my journaling my journaling spreads. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit here, and then I'm gonna start adding the stickers. And I think that one of the things that I like about journaling is that it's layering. So I love to just play around with the layering of the stickers and just have fun with it. So sometimes there has been like little journaling spreads that I look at them and I'm like, nah, it's not really my favorite, but you know, while I'm doing it, it is a lot of fun. Okay, perfect. So now I am gonna add, I'm just trying to find like extra pieces of like little corner things like this, see? Again, no rhyme or reason to why I do what I do when it comes to journaling, and I feel that that's the freeing part for me. That it's just, you know, whatever falls onto the page. Okay, so I am looking for just another quote to go here, and I'm gonna use this one just to kind of lighten up a little bit of the darkness of these flowers. And I think this one, maybe a smaller one. Perfect, that's it. I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna finish up. I'm going to write down this quote and a few others. So let me read it to you before I go, and make sure to check out my Instagram so you can see the rest of the quotes that I decide to write in here. So this is what I'm gonna write down. If you have the desire and passion to do something, if it's within God's will, you will achieve it. So how beautiful is that? So I'm gonna write that down, and what I'm gonna do is I will write down a few of my other favorite quotes and I will share them with you. But this is how I journal. This is the process, or lack thereof process, when it comes to journaling. For me, it's just about opening my notebook and having fun with placing the stickers and the scrapbook paper and just going with the flow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to share some, valuable content with you. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.